السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. Hello everybody. Ramadan Kareem للجميع. Today in this video we're going to show how to make a video record to online games with chats. PUBG game, Fortnite, all the online games. So basically before we can't, or it's been difficult to do recording with all voices or with all sounds. By that I mean it's been difficult to record your voice, your friends in the team, your friend's voice, and the game voice, I mean the media, the device sounds. So with the Android version 10, that's been solved. So it's an easy way to record all the sounds. Before the Android 10, there was something called the game tool or something like that. When you enter the game, an icon with an additional app, in-app or something like that appears with the record tool, with the screenshot tool, with many things, with the blocking notification and something like that. So with the Android 10 they moved it. You are not going to find a record tool in game tool anymore. You will find an icon in the notification panel here called screen recorder. You just go and tap on it, and by the way, there is a little trick. You go and tap on it, you will see these choices. You're going to choose the third choice, media, sounds and mic, and hit start recording. Then you'll go to your game. The trick is, do not turn off your microphone until you hit start, until the 3 seconds go off. Okay, let's try it here. Basically, you're not going to start recording before you enter the game or something like that. Basically, you are going to enter the game, then when the match started like this, you're going to click start recording. Or maybe when you're waiting in the waiting area here. Come on. Okay, bad internet connection.
Form up on me.
I'm uploading a video. Okay, so you're going to start recording here. When the 3 seconds go off, you open your microphone. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Stay alert.
Hello?
How are you?
Enemies ahead.
I'm fine and you?
Thank you. Ramadan Kareem.
Thank you. Ramadan Kareem.
شكرا.
Okay, thank you so much. We're just trying to explain the recording method here. So you are participating with us in a video recording.
دوما عماد شو دابا ملي طولتي في هادشي دوما عماد.
Okay. I think we're going to stop here and we're going to exit the game. Yeah, before exiting the game, there is the game tool I was talking about. Before it was here, screen, touch lock, screenshot and recording, but there's not anymore. It's here, as I did show you guys, screen recording. So as you see, I was talking with our random friends in Arabic, and they were hearing me. Sorry, I have a bad internet connection. They were hearing me and they were responding. And now we're going to exit the game, and I'm going to stop the recording, and I'm going to do another record to show you the video. It's already been recorded here. Okay, see you after a few seconds. 3, 2, 1, and the recording is on. So we're back again after a few seconds. And by the way, this is my new channel, and I hope from everyone who like my videos, my explanations, to support me with a subscribe and a like, and thank you so much. So we are here. Our first video, when you hit this button, when you hit, you will find a small panel. You can move it to the corner. I don't know if no, I think it will not show here in the video, but you will find a stop button for the recording. You can move it when you are playing to the corner, so it does not bother you. So after ending the record with that button, you will find a notification here, screen recorder, video save, tape here to see your recording. So we're going to tape here. Okay. So this is our video. Hello everybody. Video. Ramadan Kareem للجميع. My voice is so clear. In this video, we're going to. My voice is so clear as you can hear. So let's move on. Okay. Before and I can tape on it. You will see. That's the 3 choices I was talking about. You have to choose the third option and click start recording. Enter the game. Let's go. Off. You open your microphone. Okay. Hello.
ها
Hello.
كور من قودة هنيني الله
Hello.
Stay alert.
Hello?
مشتيش
How are you?
هلا وأراضيك ذيك كتر
Enemies
هلا
ahead.
ماي فريند
I'm fine and you?
Thank you. Ramadan Kareem.
يا رمضان
شكرا
كريم
شكرا.
Okay, thank you so much. We're just trying to explain the recording method here. So you are participating with us in a video recording.
ومعي مات شو دابا
So as you can see, I was talking to our random friends and they were hearing me clear and loud, and I was hearing them, and it's all been recorded. It's so easy, and thank you so much. I wish, if you like my video, to click like and subscribe, and thank you so much. And stop button for stop recording. Thank you.